Matt Steffenhagen is here. They were running a little bit late from Rochester today, so it's about almost 8 o'clock here inside the Exposition Center at the New York State Fairgrounds. Matt Steffenhagen, of course, with Troyer Dirt Car. How we doing?
Pretty good.
So what do we got going on this weekend?
We're showing off a car here. It's a customer's car. You'll see it tomorrow.
Okay.
And,
so you're not going to tell us who? We're going to check it out and see, right?
Yep, you'll have to wait and see.
I like. So get it here tomorrow.
Yep, so we're going to have our new 2024 TD5 sitting here. Got a few new parts to show off. Got a little bit bigger space this year, so it's a little different for what we had last time. Of course, we have our auction car. That's also a 2024 TD5. So that thing's looking sweet. That thing's ready to go in the auction, and we're ready to go, ready to talk to some people and show them what we got to offer.
The car that'll be in the booth, will it be complete and race ready, or is it maybe a roller or something like that?
This is everything minus engine and seat, basically.
Okay,
so it's very close to race ready.
And the car at the auction?
The car in the auction is just chassis body bumpers.
Okay, all right. Of course, that's very valuable. A lot of people like to do it that way because then they can put all the stuff on that they've been running. What do they call it? Putting a new frame under you, basically, is I think the way they refer it.
Right, yeah, and it's not that hard. Even if you're converting from a different manufacturer, you can bolt a lot of the parts
Really?
on. I mean, all of your stuff's going to transfer, steering boxes, rear ends, transmissions, even some of the axle stuff you could use if you wanted to. I mean, you can convert a lot just switching over if you wanted to. So it's a good place for someone to start if they were to grab that auction car.
Very nice. Okay, what is different about the new car?
Oh, we changed very little. We're very happy with our design. We made some body updates, just a little more clearance on some tires.
Okay.
Changed the left rear radius rod mount a little bit, but other than that, we're basically the same car we've been building since 2021.
So it seems like no matter what chassis you prefer, you can find it as a body, bumpers, and a chassis at the auction. I like that.
Yep, and I know just as a dirt modified customer, it was always nice to have every manufacturer's car lined up over there in a chassis body bumpers form, and you can really stick your head in each of them and see the differences. So.
Differences for the casual fan, are they tough to see?
Yeah, I mean, the main things you're going to notice about our cars is it'll be slotted radius rod mounts are different on ours than everyone else's.
Okay.
And then the way to tell them apart is really the front bumper, the hood, and the windows is kind of the only identity pieces of it that are modified anymore. So, and we like to really show off the quality of our welding and all the fit and finish of everything. So that's on display too.
How many cars did we make last year, or would you rather not say?
We made roughly 30 last year. That's about on par for the last 2 years, but we're hoping to crest that this year.
Okay.
And we're already off to a good start. I mean, just in our building alone, since we started building our stuff ourselves, I think we're on our 18th or 19th build out of our shop. So
so everything's good now? You got everything where you want it and all that kind of stuff?
As much as we can. We're still struggling for space a little bit, but we're getting it done. So knocking cars out 1.5 a week right now, just keeping up.
So if I ordered one at the show, how long before I can get it?
Right now, with where we're at, you're going to be probably mid to late December, just with the
not bad, then.
backlog we have right now.
Yeah, a couple of weeks, 3 weeks or so at this point.
And really, if you want one tomorrow, I have a couple in stock too. So.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Okay, so if you guys are ready and you like what you see and you want to move up to one of the, what is it called again, the new one?
This is the Troyer TD5.
TD5, okay, all right. And of course, had a lot of success here in Central New York. A couple drivers actually jump right out at me, don't they?
Yeah, there's been a lot of good guys. I mean, really at Fulton and Brewerton is where we've seen a lot of success with obviously Tim Sears Jr., Ronnie Davis, Andrew Ferguson jumped in one this year. He was really fast right out of the gate. So yeah, you're seeing a lot of success around here, and welcome to join us.
There you go. Well, come on tomorrow. These are our last couple interviews of the day here. Check out with Matt. Who else is here this weekend that they can talk to?
It's mostly going to be me. You'll probably see Tim Sears will be in the booth. I'm not sure if Ronnie's going to be here, but Ronnie Davis will probably be here too. And you'll see Mark LaPerry and probably Tony Sharuk on set.
Good to see you. Glad you guys made it.
Yep.
Get a good night's sleep and get ready for the weekend.
All right, thanks, Doug.
All right, Matt Steffenhagen, Troyer booth. Make sure to check them out. That's the main entrance right there. So you walk in, they'll be just to the right-hand side of the main drag.
Yep, good between the two late models.
There you go. Good place to be.
Yep.
Good luck, man.
All right, thank you.